Hey, what's up, y'all? Earlier this morning to a packed auditorium, Hersheypark introduced their new for 2020 coaster, Candymonium. It's going to be a B&M Hyper, 210 feet tall, 76 miles per hour, 4,636 feet long with a 2-minute and 26-second ride time. I am totally hyped for this coaster. I love a B&M Hyper. I know a lot of people think they're boring and mild or they're just kind of dull, but personally I love them. I think they're a lot of fun. They always have good airtime, good nice floater airtime, and I personally think that this looks like a really nice layout. I like the first drop. I love the airtime hills. I love the turnaround. I like the colors even, and I do think even the train colors go nicely with it. Of course, we had heard the rumors that the name might be Candymonium. Some people had sort of figured it out from what they had seen of the logo, and a lot of people think it's kind of a silly name. It is a silly name, but it's at Hersheypark. Totally appropriate. It's about candy. That the whole experience at Hersheypark is chocolate and candy and so forth. And I personally think it's kind of a unique name, and it's different, and it's not another Joker or Batman or Wonder Woman or Goliath or something like that. So I think I like the fact that they've done something different with this. So I think it's going to be a good ride. It's going to be very close to me. Hersheypark is one of my home parks. It's only about an hour and a half away from me, so I can go there pretty much anytime I want. So I'm really looking forward to this. I may even try to occasionally go up and follow the construction. I'll certainly be there for a ride opening when it comes up. But I'm really looking forward to it. If you look at the layout, it's a typical B&M out and back. I mean, we're talking about a typical standard Hyper B&M. It's nothing insanely different from what they've done before, but I've been on quite a few B&M Hypers. I like them quite a bit. I think they're a lot of fun. This is a nice addition to Hersheypark. I know that there's been some speculation about the fact that they already have a Hyper with Skyrush, but Skyrush is so radically different from what this ride is going to be. I mean, Skyrush, if you've ridden it, you know it's just about an insane ride that's very intense, tons of airtime, but it hits you really fast and it's over with, whereas this one will be much more relaxed. I think it'll be for families can enjoy it. It's a big ride that families can enjoy. I think it fits nicely in Hersheypark's lineup. I do think the front of the park is getting a little bit crowded, but we'll see how that works out with this Chocolatown expansion. So overall, I'm happy for Hersheypark. I'm glad to see this coming to the region. It'll be nice to have a B&M Hyper even closer to me. So I am totally happy about this, but I'm interested in hearing what you think about it. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what your thoughts are on this new addition to Hersheypark. That's going to be it for this episode. Take care and enjoy the ride.